away.
It's too far away?
I woke up.
Up?
And it's still far away.
Oh, there were no flashlight in in your eyes. Oh, it's too far away. Can't see it.
And then over here, the eyes. No eyes.
No eyes. Good girl.
And look up.
Hey, look up.
It's too far away.
It's too far away?
It's too far away.
The light goes far, doesn't it?
It's too far away.
Mm-hmm.
It's too far away.
It's too far away?
And it does it down here.
Brought it down there.
There's a little boo-boo.
You just got a little boo-boo.
Little monkey. That's a little boo-boo.
The little Gigi monkey's got a little boo-boo. Yeah. And she looking at it with the flashlight?
He needs a bonnet. He
what?
needs a bonnet.
You need...
He needs a bonnet.
Oh, you need a Band-Aid?
Uh-huh.
Okay, we can get one. No eyes.
Uh-huh.
If you do that again, I have to take it, okay?
No, man.
Okay, so be safe.
Okay.
Good girl. Oh, that was close.
And their eyes.
And you can look at the shirt. What's on your shirt?
Monkey.
Monkey. Do you know who gave that to you?
Alex.
Yes, Alex. Good memory. Cousin Alex gave you that cute shirt.
It's so cute.
It's so cute.
I want a baby monkey.
Little baby monkey.
Mama monkey and little monkey.
Mommy monkey and Gigi monkey.
He's holding the flashlight.
The flashlight?
This makes you see a boo-boo button.
Makes you see the boo-boo better?
It's got the mother. Nani?
Nani. Nani. Okay.